Welcome to my channel Natural Cures. Infections of the kidneys and urinary tract may be caused by blocking the kidneys' function in purifying the body from toxins. Here are the most important home recipes that help you clean your kidneys. 7 home recipes for detoxing the kidneys. The kidneys are one of the body systems that can clean themselves from toxins, which reflects on the performance of the urinary system and bladder, and maintains a balance of blood pressure. But to support this function you must consume sufficient fluids, which include fruits, vegetables, water and some herbs. Eating a healthy diet, exercising, and drinking water is essential to your kidney health. To achieve this you can include some of these herbs in your diet. 1. Parsley. Parsley is one of the naturally generating diuretics, which helps cleanse the kidneys, and helps flush out bacteria and germs from the kidneys. A study published in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology found that mice that consumed parsley seed extract produced more urine during a 24-hour period, compared to those that drank water. You can drink a few cups of parsley tea for about a week to cleanse the kidneys. Here are how to prepare it. Add 1 tablespoon of ground parsley to a cup of boiling water, cover for 5 minutes and eat. Mix 1/4 cup of parsley juice with ½ cup of water, then add a little honey and lemon juice, and eat it twice daily for 2 weeks. You can also include this herb in salads and other dishes. It is worth noting that a pregnant woman should avoid eating large amounts of parsley. 2. Dandelion root. A study published in the Journal of Alternative and Complementary Medicine showed that the dandelion plant increases urine production in humans, due to its diuretic properties, which helps cleanse both kidneys and liver, and calms irritation in the urinary system. Boil 2 teaspoons of dandelion root in a cup of water for 5 minutes. Turn off the heat, cover it, and leave it for 10 minutes. Add some honey and eat it. If you are taking medications, consult a doctor before drinking dandelion tea, as the herb may interact with it. 3. Corn tea. Corn increases urine production to remove waste and toxins from the kidneys, so you can use it to treat bladder infections, urinary tract and kidney stones. Corn also contains many nutrients such as protein, fat and calories, which provides you with a good source of energy. You can prepare corn tea with these steps. Put 2 tablespoons of dried corn in a cup. Pour boiling water over, cover for 10 to 15 minutes, and then take it. You can drink this tea 2 to 3 times daily. Make sure to drink plenty of other fluids like water when drinking corn tea to cleanse your kidneys. 4. Nettles. Nettles, despite their pungent taste, help cleanse the kidneys, due to its diuretic properties that remove metabolic wastes from the kidneys and enhance kidney secretion. To prepare nettle tea, follow these instructions. Put 2 tablespoons of fresh or dried nettle in a cup of hot water. Leave it covered for 10 minutes, then add a little honey. You can drink this tea twice a day for 2 weeks. It is worth noting that you should consult a doctor before taking this herb, as it may cause high blood pressure. 4. Marshmallow. Marshmallow has diuretic properties that increase urine flow, which helps cleanse the kidneys of toxins and enhance kidney health, as it fights kidney diseases, urinary tract and bladder infections. You can drink marshmallow drink 3 times a day, after putting the marshmallow root into a cup of hot water, and boiling it for 5 minutes. Advice: diabetics, pregnant women and breastfeeding mothers should refrain from drinking marshmallow tea. 5. Licorice. Licorice is a diuretic herb, which helps cleanse the kidneys and cleanse the liver, and works to remove harmful toxins and bacteria from the body, maintaining the balance of the pH of urine. You can eat this herb as a tea or juice. 6. Horsetail. This herb contains oxidizing properties, which work to cleanse the kidneys of toxins, preferably eaten regularly to facilitate metabolism and detoxify the body. 3 teaspoons of fresh or dried ponytail can be added to a cup of boiling water, add a little honey, and then knead it. 7. Turmeric and ginger. Turmeric has antiseptic and anti-inflammatory properties, which helps cleanse the kidneys and prevent infections, removes liver toxins and purifies the blood. Ginger is also a good herb for cleansing the kidneys and liver, which helps flush out toxins and harmful substances from the kidneys, and improves digestion. You can make turmeric and ginger tea by adding half a teaspoon of grated turmeric and ginger and cinnamon to a bowl of water, then boil it, add 1 tablespoon of honey and a slice of lemon. Please subscribe and like and comment.